Hazrat Saeed bin Jubair states that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu would make me sit along with the Badri elders. Some of them felt it at hurt and complained, why do you make him sit in our ranks, whereas he is of the age of our sons? Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, you know its reason. So one day he summoned me and I, accompanied by them, came to him. On that day I think I was summoned only to show them something. He then said, what do you say about Allah's saying, when the help of Allah and victory came? Some of them said, we have been commanded hereby to glorify Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and seek forgiveness from Him when we are helped and granted victory. And some people remained silent and did not say anything. Thereupon he said to me, O Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, are you of the same opinion? I replied, I do not say so. He then asked, what do you say? I replied, it is the news of the demise of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has apprised him. So he said, when the help of Allah and victory came, it is a sign of his demise, then praising Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, glorify him and beg his forgiveness. Undoubtedly he is most relenting. Then Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, I do not know more than what you are interpreting. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4970.